say this with me. I intend to feel good. Comment it down below. I intend to feel good. And you might say, or you might have heard somebody say, but how can I feel good if there's politicians robbing us, if there's people starving and dying, if there's people with less money than me? How can I feel good if my friend or my daughter has had this problem? How can I feel good if I just got taken advantage of or cheated on? How could I feel good when there's this problem and there's this robbery and there's this person with this health problem and there's all these things, bad things happening in the world? How can I feel good? Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt bad enough to make somebody else's life better? Have you ever felt bad enough to make somebody else feel better? The only way that you can uplift the consciousness, the happiness, the joy, the success, the abundance of this world, the only way you can uplift it is by you deciding to feel good. The way your problems go away is when you feel good. Is when you stop reacting to them and you start responding to them and saying, is this worth losing my peace over? No, it's not. The only way that you can teach someone you know that's going through a tough time how to feel better is by you feeling good. That's why every morning I invite you to start doing this. Look in the mirror and you say this. I intend to feel good. Look right into your eye and say, I intend to feel good. That bill I have to pay, that annoying, frustrating, negative person that I face every day at work, that guy that cuts me off on the road, the fact that my dream hasn't worked yet, or just the fact that everything's great and you want it to keep getting greater. It does not matter. Intend to feel good. There's no amount of bad you can feel that will make somebody else feel better. There's no amount of guilt you can feel while you eat your food that will help a starving person. There's no amount of poverty you can experience that's going to make somebody else rich. The way to help other people to get what they want is for you to have what you want, is to show them, yes, you can be a kind, beautiful, compassionate person. You can be healthy. You can be well. You can be positive. Hey, and by the way, you can be wealthy. And you cannot let the world bring you down. And the daily trivia and the daily problems and challenges and just the busyness of the world bog you down. You can feel good. And that's the most beautiful way you can inspire the world. Not by feeling bad. So comment down below. I intend to feel good. Intend it. Make it your intention to feel good. To enjoy the money that you spend. To enjoy the beauty that this life has to offer, because Albert Einstein said it best. The most important decision that you're ever going to make is to decide whether you live in a friendly or a hostile world. I've decided that I live in a world of absolute abundance, infinite abundance. There's enough food, money, love, happiness, joy, positivity, dream jobs, dream cars, dream houses for everyone on this world. And me experiencing abundance or joy or happiness or fulfillment is the very key that will inspire somebody else, that will start that domino effect. Comment down below, I intend to feel good, and today intend to feel freaking amazing. Uplift everyone that you're around. There's no amount of sadness, of feeling bad, of feeling guilty about your abundance or your happiness that will make anybody else feel better. And that's the secret to life. Ask yourself this question today. Is this worth losing my peace over? Is this bill that they overcharged me for worth losing my peace over? Is this problem that my friend is having worth losing my peace over? This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. The more happiness, love, and wealth you experience, the more it's gonna rub off on everyone else. And that is a beautiful thing. Be sure that you check out The Second Mind. It's our software designed to rewire the brain, because the brain wires in a certain way. Your neurocircuitry wires based off of the reality that you've experienced. You can actually wire your brain to easily attract what you want in life. And we created a software to do that. And you can demo it for free. It's thesecondmind.com down below. Have a beautiful day. Comment down below, I intend to feel good, intend to feel amazing, intend to smile so damn big today, and feel so positive, and let nothing take away your optimism today. Because that's how life becomes amazing. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, that's what actually notifies you for new videos. Like this video to support this channel. Have a beautiful day. Share this with someone that you love or are inspired by. Comment down below, I intend to feel good. I'm gonna intend to feel good for the rest of today. I'm gonna intend to be an absolutely amazing day today. I hope you'll join me in that.